How to permanently delete WhatsApp account. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can permanently delete your WhatsApp account. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your WhatsApp app. Once you open it, now you have to click the settings gear on the bottom right corner and it's going to bring you to the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll through and find this accounts option. Click account. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page and here you'll find this delete my account option on the bottom. Click delete my account and now it's going to pop up with this window. On this window you can see deleting your account will delete your account info and profile photo, delete you from all WhatsApp groups, delete your message history on this phone and your iCloud backup, and delete any channel that you created. Now you simply have to choose your country, enter your phone number and then click delete my account and it's going to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.